For most of human history, people used to think that our world is unique. With the birth of philosophy and science, we learned that Earth is among 7 other planets that orbit our Sun. It took us quite a long while to realize other galaxies are out there, and that the flickering lights in the sky are other suns with whole worlds orbiting them, which could possibly host alien life. Then we didn't know of any planets beyond our solar system because we hadn't detected them. So even if we thought, well, we can't be special, we didn't know. And then in the early 1990s, we started being able to detect planets. And now we've detected well over 3,000. We've got missions up there, like the Kepler telescope, that are just trying to detect planets, so thousands of them. So now this statement is that pretty much every star in the sky will have planets around it. Which is remarkable. If you go out on a clear night, you can look at the stars and imagine that there will be solar systems around everyone. So that allows us to start thinking, how many potentially Earth-like planets might there be in the Milky Way galaxy? And the answer is about 20 billion, meaning there could be a rocky planet the right distance from its star, possibly if everything is right to have liquid water on the surface, and so on, perhaps 1 in 10 stars. We talk about a thing called the habitable zone, and in our solar system, there are 3 planets in this zone: Venus, Mars, and Earth. Venus is closer to the Sun, Mars is farther away, and yet, all of those planets we think once had water on their surfaces, so they could once have been habitable. And still, today, we are looking for life on Mars. Finding life on Mars would be one of the greatest discoveries in human history. But if there is life on Mars, most scientists think it is microbial life. The more interesting kind of life we hope to discover, that would change our worldview forever, is multicellular life such as plants or animals. And luckily for us, there is a place within our solar system that might host that kind of life. Jupiter's moon, Europa. NASA is preparing the Europa Clipper mission, launching in 2024 and arriving in 2030. The mission will conduct 4 years of science operations at Europa. This moon shows strong evidence of an ocean of liquid water beneath its icy crust, making it a top candidate to explore and hopefully find evidence of alien life going beyond our solar system. However, it is extremely difficult, if not impossible, with our current technology to send probes, because the nearest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.2 light-years away. So the best method is to stay here and listen for radio signals, or use telescopes to look for biosignatures on distant exoplanets. The most exciting level of alien life on the hierarchy is intelligence. It is estimated that with our current pace of technological growth, a civilization could colonize an entire galaxy within 10 million years. So the big question is, if that's the case, where is everybody? This is known as the Fermi Paradox, given the number of stars, the number of planets, and the time available. It seems like at least a few civilizations should have become spacefaring. So part of the great conundrum is that on Earth life took a long time to develop complex forms. So perhaps complex life is extremely rare. Maybe civilizations destroy themselves before they expand, or maybe they don't choose to expand. One possible resolution is the Great Filter. The idea that there is some stage in the development of intelligent life that is extremely difficult to pass. Meaning, most life never reaches the point of becoming detectable. Another hypothesis is that highly advanced civilizations may become machine-based and lose all interest in physical colonization. Another is the zoo hypothesis, the idea that advanced civilizations are aware of us but choose not to interfere. Like we are animals in a cosmic preserve, there is also the depressing possibility that we are the first and may go extinct long before others arise. What we do know from Earth is that life began quickly, but complex life took billions of years and depended on rare events such as the emergence of the eukaryotic cell, which appears to have happened only once in Earth's history, when one primitive cell merged with another without being destroyed, forming the foundation of every complex organism. If such steps are incredibly rare, then Earth may be astonishingly unique, and if we are the only beings in the Milky Way who can think, imagine, and understand, then we are the only source of meaning in a galaxy of 400 billion stars. And if we were to destroy ourselves tomorrow with our own hands, the universe might lose something it may not see again for billions of years. Thanks for watching. Did you like this video? Then show your support by subscribing, ringing the bell, and enabling notifications to never miss videos like this.